Activity 2B. Read the survey results in a school magazine and answer the question, Who has a soccer ball?
Do you have a soccer ball? Frank Brown.
I don't have a soccer ball, but my brother Alan does. We go to the same school, and we love soccer. We play it at school with our friends. It's relaxing.
Gina Smith.
Yes, I do. I have 2 soccer balls, 3 volleyballs, 4 basketballs, and 5 baseballs and bats. I love sports, but I don't play them. I only watch them on TV.
Wang Wei.
No, I don't. Soccer is difficult. I like ping pong. It's easy for me. I have 3 ping pong balls and 2 ping pong bats. After class, I play ping pong with my classmates.